Guys, what's up? Today in this tutorial I will show you how to set shortcuts, and we left with the some methods, also some operations to define that operation cut copy paste. In this tutorial I will show you the remaining part of making notepad. So before that I want to tell you something, that to to make shortcuts we need mnemonics or accelerator set accelerator method. The mnemonics, what mnemonics does, it takes alphabet single characters, that is A to Z, and when it is pressed with alt key, it triggers an associated operations with the button, but it also displays that menu in the menu bar. But in case of accelerator, we use control button. With control key we use any alphabet or any function key. Without control key we can use only function key, and we can define with the help of virtual key. That is virtual key is predefined in have integer value, and predefined in notepad. The key event of java package, it is predefined there, and it does not show associative menu, and it directly does the work. So for doing the copy cut and paste operation, we don't need anything, but for doing that key operation we will be needed key event class. So it's here. Now what I will do, first of all, before going anywhere, let's do one thing, that let's set the function for cut copy and paste menu item. So what we need to do, cut method is predefined, so just we need to write the attach the cut method with a text area, and it will work. So now ta dot copy method, and it's done. Ta dot paste method, it's done. Now in case of print method, we need to provide a try block and a catch block, and then system dot out dot println, and then I will print e here. Okay, and here I will write ta dot print method. So I have attached all the function for cut, copy, paste and print. Now let's see what happens. I will save it and I will run it. Okay, it's showing two errors. One is I have taken AWT in place of AMT. I have taken AWT. Now let's see what the error comes. So this is it's the error comes. So what I will do, I will import java.awt.print class. Okay, and then it's printer exception, so I will catch it. Printer exception, that is ex, let's say. I will write x here. Compile it, get compiled. Now let's run it, and artif I will say anything. My text starts showing bold as I have set my now if I say it cut, so it will cut, it will, wait a second, it will paste it, one more time paste it. So our all keys are working. Now if I write print here, this will come here like this, in this way. So we can see our print option is also working as it is predefined, so it's working. Now let's close this, and let's develop the shortcut keys and the hotkeys for all the methods and menus. Before that, I think I need to add one more JMenu item. Here I will add not help, view. Okay, and here I will add about. Okay, taken one menu item, and then so I will do about is equal to new JMenu item. I will paste about. So now this about is initialized. Now I will add this in my what I've taken view, right? View. In view menu I will add that is about. Okay, and this, and I will add the view menu in my frame. So now it's done. Let's see, it's working, it's showing or not. Okay, wait a second, we need to do more work now. Done. What it's showing. Error is because of this view is not defined here, right? View dot JMenu. So now it will run. Okay. Okay, I need to add this first in my menu bar. Now should run smoothly. So it's showing view about, but I did not set any function for about, so it's there. Now let's add this copy and view dot add separator. Now let's setting control. Okay, setting shortcut keys, right? So now let's do one thing. Let's set first all the mnemonics. So I'll add set file dot set mnemonic key event is a class and virtual key with I will take F for this, and now file is done, file shortcut is created. Then I will do edit dot set mnemonic E. Okay, and for B I will use, can't use B because I will use it for paste, so I will use C. Okay, view dot C. Okay, now it's done. Now I will need a keystroke method, keystroke class, and I will set for open, and its object is there, keystroke class dot get keystroke. So this is the keystroke class, and this is the method to get the parameters, and it will take two parameters, that is key event dot which we want to set for the open function. So I will use O, and then I will use key event, and it will take control down mask, control button, control down mask. As these are static predefined methods, so we are using just by taking the dot, and then I will take the menu item and I will set the accelerator. So this accelerator method is used for adding the shortcut key, let's hope of this open. I just added passed the object of keystroke class to the set accelerator method, and it's done now. Open dot set. Now like this I need to add for all the keys, so let's copy it, paste it, keystroke SV for save, wait a second, SAV, okay, and save SAV. Here I will use S. Okay, it's done now. Here I will control is open is done. New, for new I will take any. Here I will pass the object any, and then I'm using this copy paste method, so video should be in low, and I've already defined all the methods and classes. I will discussed about it. So n, so it's done now. New, open, save, close, close, W, let's use W for that. So open, save, new, and W is done. Open, save, new, and W is done. And then okay, wait a second, new one, close, okay, and then new, open, save, print. And for print I need to, so we have done 4 functions: new, open, save, close, print. For print I will use P, R and T, print. I will use here P, and then PR and T, and I will use it here menu item. So our file, the functions in our file is done. Now what I will do, I will set the shortcut keys for cut, copy and paste. So V keystroke class cut, for cut I will use cu object, and cut is here I will use X for close, okay, then I will use cut is done. Now copy, CPY, okay, and here I will use for copy, I can't use C, so I will use XCV. Let's change it here, view, let's write LB, okay, let's B is there, B should be there, and here I will use C for copy, and then PA paste I will use PST, paste, paste, we'll use v. So now I think everything is done, and that let's do about ab about, and I will use for this is I. So now I think all our keys is done, so I will save it and I will run it. So if I will use Control plus O, it will open. Control plus P, it will show. Control plus wait a second, let me write something. Okay, and I will use Control plus C and then Control plus X, it will cut. If I will use paste for pasting, I will use P, it will show, and V. Now it's showing everything. For close I need to use W. For everything it's showing Control plus X and V. For view it's about, I think it. Okay, new, open, Control plus open, Control plus open. Wait a second. About, S. Now let me show you one thing. That's why it's saying O. Let's take R. R here. Then save it. Oh, because of this object it was showing error. So now let's close it. I will save it and I'll run it. So now it's saying the correct. Now I set also the till now I have shown you the key event of this shortcut keys for control. Now let me show you by using Control F what it's showing. This the file menu. If I will use Control E, then it's showing edit menu, and if I will use Alt B, it's showing the view menu. So this is the use of mnemonics. And one more thing, what if I do that write something, and if I close it, suddenly close, it doesn't ask for saving or changing. So we can set operation on that also. So that also we will do in our next tutorial. So this tutorial is all for this moment and this till now only. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.